Hello everybody, I got a Lexus here, ES350, and the fuel tank cover doesn't open. You can hear it clicking, but it's not opening. Nada. So if you need to put gas on your car, what you need to do is pop the truck, and you have access to open this manually. Let me show you that. So in the back of the trunk, there's this one right here. Take that out, the cover. This is the emergency release. You pull this out, but you pull this out and push the lid on the side here at the same time, otherwise it won't open. So if I just pull it like this, not gonna do it. See this, you see this lever over here? You pull that out this way, and it pull and hold while you push the gas tank cover, otherwise it won't open. Let me demo the lever here, and see it doesn't open. But what you do is hold the lever and push this side, and it'll open it. And I think the culprit is, it's working. This one's working. It's moving. So you gotta figure out why it's not doing it. See? This one is moving. See, it's moving. So I'm pretty sure the problem is this thing right here. So probably my next video is gonna be how to repair this lock here. I mean this spring here, to make it pop open. Right now it's not doing that. It's released, but it's not popping out. So you're gonna have to push it in. Alright? So this is for like if you have an emergency and you need to pump gas, then you have to do it manually. Open it manually by holding the lever inside the trunk. Hold and push. Right, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.